Happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I'm super excited because I'm going to be reviewing some more polishes from Sweetie Nail Supply. I've done a couple reviews on my channel with Sweetie Nail Supply products, and I've never been disappointed by any of them. And so today I'm going to be reviewing the Valla Yeonglong collection, and it is a magnet cat-eye collection, so I'm super excited to hop into this. This here is the package that Sweetie Nail Supply sent me. They did include this really cute card. And it just says thank you. This is their website if you all want to go shop some of their website. I also have a discount code with Sweetie Nail Supply. I'll go ahead and leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box in case you guys want to save some coin while you're shopping their website. But this is their handle as well for their social media. Okay, so let's hop into this. I always love the presentation of Korean gel polishes. I just think they're absolutely beautiful. This comes with this really beautiful kind of light lacy looking material. Like, yeah, I just love it. Okay, so this is what the bag says here. So this is that Valla, and this is the Yeonglong collection that I'm going to be reviewing. But I just, y'all, the presentation, the tassel and everything, like, come on now, like, so beautiful. So let me go ahead and get this opened, and then we will get into some swatches, okay? So it comes in this beautiful bag. Open this up. Okay, and then it has the magnet here at the bottom. So this is the magnet that I'll use to activate the cat eye that's in the gels. And again, this here is the little bag that it came in. This is so cute, y'all. It's a little mesh bag here, and it has like little handles here at the top. Super adorable. Okay, so this here is the gel polish collection itself. This is how it comes packaged. A really beautiful box here. Has Valla here on the side. Or Valla? 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 I don't know. But let me go ahead and get this opened here. Ooh, look how cute this is. Okay, so we got this little card here. So this is if you want to display. I like that a lot of the Korean polishes come with like little display cards. So if you wanted to put your gel colors out on display, you can. But I typically like to swatch my colors because it's just easy to go through a swatch stick to get the colors that I need. So, but it's nice that it comes with this. And then these here are the beautiful colors. I love this bottle. But yeah, let's get these all unboxed here. Alright, so these here are all the polishes that come in the collection, y'all. Let's just take a moment for the packaging because it is absolutely gorgeous. It comes with this like ombre bottle. It's white at the top and then the ombre is into this pink. And it also has like this glitter on it. It says recipe, premium gel color recipe for always beautiful and healthy nails. It's 10 ml bottles, so they're a nice size for sure. Then it has like the color names at the bottom. And then I noticed that not all the bottles are the same. So this one's like an ombre into like a brown color, and this one's like an ombre into like a silver. So yeah, let's go ahead and take a closer look at each color. Okay, so the first color we have here is MV33. Ooh. This is a really beautiful milky white color. I mean, this is a really beautiful milky gray color. I don't even know if this is cat eye or not. It doesn't quite seem like it is. I'm not sure if this is cat eye or not. It doesn't quite seem like it is, but I'll be interested if it is to get it activated in here. But this is really, really pretty. MV34. Ooh. Okay, this is a nice jelly, mauve-y, I guess a jelly brown color, like a nude jelly brown color. I'd say the viscosity of these are kind of like a medium viscosity. MV35. Okay, another nude color. This one's here is more of a mauve color here. Very cute. Next we have MV36. Ooh, this is a really beautiful mauve pink color. Like I said, it's really hard to see the cat eye in these. I'll be interested to see how it activates. MV37. Oh wow, now this is gorgeous. This is a nice, kind of a deep pink color. Like I said, I'm really excited to get this cat eye activated in these. These are kind of like, they almost feel like syrups a little bit. It's like a syrupy consistency, but it's still like on the thicker side. Very interesting consistency for sure. Next we have MV38. Another beautiful mauve nude color. Very gorgeous. MV39. Really beautiful. Kind of a mauve purpley, grayish purple color. Then we have MV40. Ooh. Another beautiful mauve color here. This was more like a mauve pink color. This is a mauve with like pink undertones to it. Let's get the swatch on. MV33. Yeah, this is very, very jelly. Really kind of hard to see. Alright, it's a little bit more opaque than I thought it was going to be though. So that's good. Let's see what the cat eye looks like activated on these. Oh, there we go. Okay, I see a little something here. It's pretty subtle though. It's hard to... There it is. Okay, you get a little bit of the cat eye there. I decided to bring out my standard cat eye magnet, see what that does. Yeah, I can't really see this cat eye. Okay, it's very, very subtle. Yeah, but it's there. MV34. Beautiful. Yeah, the cat eye in here is very, very subtle. MV35. Yeah, there's a cat eye in it, but it's very, very subtle. Not sure if you guys can see that. MV36. Let me see if the magnet that came with it will activate this one a little bit better. I just don't feel like there's enough cat eye magnets in this collection or in these polishes, honestly, to get a real good cat eye. Let's see. But it's there. Okay, see, there's a very subtle cat eye. MV37. feel like with the colors that are a little bit more opaque, you can see the cat eye a little bit better. MV38. I touched it by accident there. Okay. MV39. MV40. Alrighty, so this is what all these colors are looking like swatched out. I'm gonna give you up closes of each one. The first color here is MV33. It's a really beautiful light gray color with a very, very subtle cat eye. I will say with this collection, the cat eyes were really hard to activate, but you can kind of see it there ever so slightly. VM34, which is this really beautiful nude brown color. Light brown nude. VM35, which is this really beautiful kind of mauve purplish gray color. VM36, which is this really beautiful pink mauve color with that cat eye. VM37, which is a really beautiful, a little bit of a deeper pink, and you can definitely see the cat eye a little bit more on that darker background. VM38, which is a really beautiful mauve color as well. VM39, a cute nudie color that has purple undertones. And last but not least is VM40, which is this kind of light pinkish nude color. Alrighty, so yeah, I do think that this is a nice collection if you're looking for some good basic nude colors, even a little bit more muted tone nude colors. With a very, very subtle cat eye. I will say it was very hard for me to activate the cat eye in this collection. So it's not my favorite for the cat eye aspect alone, but I do think that the colors are really beautiful nude colors. And definitely you can build up that jelly consistency to make it a little bit more opaque. And I also really like the consistency of the polishes. They were very easy to use, self-leveled beautifully. And so yeah, special thanks to Sweetie Nail Supply for sending these over for review. If you guys are interested in getting any of their products, I do have a discount code. Like I said, I will leave it here on the screen as well as in the description box below, so you all can save some coin while you're shopping their website. I do also think they have some really good discounts available for it being the holiday season. So yeah, let me know if you guys snag anything, and let me know your thoughts on this collection. Like I said, I think it's beautiful, but that cat eye, it just was really hard to activate even with the magnet that was included with it. So yeah, and also the packaging on this, gorgeous. Okay, but yeah, I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye.